It's not actually corn season, but then my papa went to the village and got this corn for and you us. Guys, today we decided to do justice to it because if we don't, hello, who will? So, guys, join me as I prepare the fire to do justice to this. All right, so you know it's raining season, and because it's raining season, you hardly get like a dry wood and a dry place. So I had to use this head pan. So we gathered firewood from corners of the compound and so you guys to light up the fire and make it stable, I had to make use of my textbook. Over there you could see that I'm making use of my statistics textbook. It's not like they are all, but just that the educational system nowadays, you hardly give her your textbook because it's worthless, it's useless. Me doing my time of my MSc, I had textbooks from my elder one, but I just can't use them. You guys. Let's check the corn. Roasting corn. That's my textbook I'm using to roast corn. The educational system has made it in such a way that you cannot share your textbook. It's either you finish and treasurize it, or you get rid of it because you can obviously give it to someone. During my MSc, I had a textbook from my sister, but then you have to buy yours just for your name to enter the book of life to make an A or a B. But it's a lie because I made a C in that course, even with the textbook. But you guys, it's too much in the house. I decided to use it and do fire today. This is comparative. This is another comparative. The one that is currently burning is called statistics. When you my maths, no, I'm not for my maths. I don't even like maths. So I'm burning. This is actually my pattern drafting. Yeah, I did pattern drafting. Oh wow, these are I'm not used to this. They're still new, but now you have better in tailoring. I have other skills. Tracing. And let's turn the corn. I never do. How did I? Ooh, not done.